Welcome to the Algebra channel, and make sure to subscribe to our channel and also to click on the alarm bell so that you'll be notified of our latest videos. Remember, our videos are prepared for the worst students in your mathematics class. So if you're a teacher or a parent or a student, please subscribe to our channel. Solve for y, that's our problem for today. Solve for y in the equation y plus 17 equals negative 12. Our approach, as we have mentioned in our previous problems, we must use this tip on the left. Our objective is to manipulate the equation so that the unknown variable, in this case y, is on one side of the equation, the left hand side for example, and while the known values are on the other side of the equation or on the right hand side of the equation. So that's how we solve that problem there. And here also on the left are the algebraic properties of real numbers, in case you've forgotten your properties, including commutative, associative, distributive properties, for example. So let's proceed to solving this problem. Alright, so y plus 17 equals negative 12. And if you carefully look at the unknown variable y, you keep it on the left hand side of the equation, and then on the right hand side of the equation the known variables such as 17, and this is negative 12. So obviously, to remove y from the left hand side, you need to add negative 17 to the left hand side of the equation, and then whatever you do to the left hand side, you also do the same. You do the same to the right hand side of the equation. So you also need to subtract 17. Okay, subtract 17 here. So that's how we're going to proceed. So let's write y plus 17 minus 17. That means this entire thing here is subtracted by 17 equals minus negative 12 minus 17. So when you simplify this is simply y on the left hand side of the equation, and in this case, because we have to positive 17 minus 17 is 0. So on the right hand side of the equation, you will have negative 12 here, negative 12 and negative 17. So you're actually they have the same sign, so you just add the 2 and then take on the negative sign for the sum. So this is 29, negative 29. So that's our answer, y equals negative 29. Okay, but we need to check. Remember, we need to check, and here is our check. So remember, we have already solved for y, which is equal to negative 29, but we need to check. That's the most important part. We need to check our solution. In your usual classroom discussion, usually you don't have a checking operation in your examinations, but for our lectures here, for our problem solving here, we do the exercise of checking your answer. So how do you check your answer? By actually substituting your y, the one you arrived at, into the original equation, and that's how you would you would find out if it's correct. So in this case, it will be y is negative 29. So negative 29 plus 17, is it equal to negative 12? Okay, so in this case, 29 minus 17, so this is negative 12, is equal to negative 12. So you have already done the cross-checking. So now you know that your answer is correct. So thank you for being with us. See you in our next problem, and remember to subscribe and to click on the alarm bell to notify yourself. Thank you, and see you in our next problem.